CLNE stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. I'm the only guy in this page with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience. When I say this, people think I'm exaggerating or something. Bro, it's all documented. And especially with CLNE, it's not the most bullish thing ever. But like I mentioned, if I see a double break, I'm open for longs. And since that finally started happening, once we open up on Monday, there's nothing stopping me from doubling down on this long side. It's not going to be like some crazy bullish stuff, just simple pull downs, right? If I do see a correction and a double break, technically nothing's in my way to buy here. And CLNE, I also got a buy one result here as well, you know, like I'm not going to force stuff or anything, just stick to the rules. And if you want to stay tuned and stick to the rules with me, then just click the first link in the description and get the free sauce. Goodbye and enjoy.